Hey there guys, Sylwia here and welcome all to my Affiliate Takeover review. So guys, Affiliate Takeover is the newest launch by Kevin Farley. It is going live today on the 8th of May at 9 AM New York time. So probably by the time I manage to upload this review video on Affiliate Takeover, this product is already gonna be live, so you will be able to check it out, purchase it via the link below my review. I'm gonna attach the link in the description box below my review. Go check it out. Also, I'm gonna give you some amazing bonuses. Okay, I have custom made myself some very exclusive report bonuses, which I have created myself based on the training I have just completed watching. Namely Affiliate Takeover by Kevin Farley. This is a training course, guys, on how to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level, like really shift the gears. Okay, now Kevin Farley is obviously a legend. He's been smashing and crashing it within the internet marketing space for almost 2 decades, 17 years to be precise, most likely. Okay, it's always such a privilege to check out Kevin's courses, and I do watch them thoroughly. I mean, I am one of Kevin's affiliates. I have been for quite some time, so Kevin always very kindly grants me the review access, and I make sure I watch every single video from his training courses because they are just diamonds. Okay, they're so valuable. I always learn so much that he shares. Guys, it's almost 2 decades of experience. He's been, as I said, crashing, smashing it, like smashing the leaderboards. And how does he do it? Well, he will reveal all his secrets, his blueprint to making the very transparently. Good stuff, amazing stuff. I am very impressed how honest and transparent and how clearly Kevin lays out all of the information, and it's all delivered in both videos and PDFs. You have got reports, some amazing, valuable bonuses. So I'm quite looking forward, guys, to, showing you all I have here for you. So stay with me. And do remember, I made some cool bonuses inspired by this training, so you will get it sort of like firsthand. It's the bonuses is the implementation of the knowledge I have gained from this training course. So be sure to check them out. Be sure to check out the link below my review. If you want to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level, get the training, watch it, and implement what Kevin teaches you, because he is the master in this arena, okay, internet marketing world. And yeah, as he was saying in probably the introduction video, from what I remember, he says, like, if you have been making $30 a week or a month, if you're a beginner, right? Making $1 online is a challenge, okay? Make that $1 online for the first time, and then if you've achieved that, that means you're doing something right. So keep doing it with consistency and persistency. But anyhow, Kevin was saying that if you have been making $30, let's say a week so far, this training course will show you how to 10 times what you have been earning so far. So you will take it to $300 a week, or say a month, okay, if you're a beginner. If you have been making $300, you're gonna take it to 10 times $3,000. But you've got to implement what Kevin is showing you in this training course. So let's get started. Let me show you all I have. I'm pretty excited to share it with you. Right, guys, so that's the members area. Let me show you. This is the welcome video, and you can, it will be delivered to you in Kevin's, this is sort of like a membership site. So all of his previous courses would be available from here, so you can navigate from here. As you can see, the first one, the top one is his latest launch, so Affiliate Takeover. And you can go from here, even though I find it easier to just sort of, just scroll down, watch the demo video, and then continue to lesson 1 and next. Okay, here, just in case you've missed the upgrades, I'm gonna show you the upgrades as well, guys. And before I continue with the members area, let me show you what else I have here for you. So that's the sales page. Now, as he says it here, With this training course, you're gonna get unprecedented insider access to his internal affiliate takeover system, which has generated him, well over $1 million in affiliate commissions and close to 100,000 in contest prizes alone. So as I said, he has been smashing the leaderboards, as even Ben Fletcher says, like Kevin is constantly his #1 affiliate in most of his contests, and says that he's gladly paid him thousands of dollars in prize money time after time. Ben says that he fully endorses anything Kevin puts out. So do I. Not only is he super transparent and helpful, as I was saying as well, super transparent, genuinely good stuff that, well, Ben uses himself. So yeah, that's obviously Kevin. Guys, as soon as the product goes live, just click that button here, the buy button, click here to join, and you will be in, okay? Now go through the training. I'm gonna show you what you'll get inside of the members area, and here I have the bonuses, which I will talk about and give you a sneak peek into the bonuses. Quite proud of these bonuses, having been inspired by this training course. So I've watched all my way through the training course. It's gonna take you guys roughly around close to 2 hours to go through the whole training, including the case studies. There will be case studies which are not a bump offer or anything like that. They're actually included inside, within the front end, and some super valuable, super cool bonuses as well from Kevin on top of just the front end. And here are my bonuses, which I'll discuss later. We'll go through the funnel as well. Now let's focus on the members area. So after the introduction video, guys, you're gonna get to learn how to plan your promotions. All, comes down to good planning, being disciplined and all of that. Whenever you ask anyone who has been successful in one way or another, when you ask them how they have achieved that, it's through discipline. There is a saying that goes, that freedom is gated by discipline. So the door to freedom leads through discipline. And that is quite philosophical to say that, but it's so true. So true. Now, in the next video, Kevin will show you how to set up your affiliate takeover funnel, how to create a pre-sale report, then how to create exclusive bonus, how to build your list, so this one, build your list with 0 cost offers, how to use social media to promote, how to do paid traffic, how to do affiliate marketing. So the videos are not too long, anything from 5 to 15 minutes, but very on point, very much so. And if I click on, let's say, this one here, you will see that with some of them you will have some PDFs to download as well, okay, so reports and stuff like that. Now, let me just put it in my words, what Kevin is essentially showing you, what he's telling you to do. Guys, if you want to take it to the next game with affiliate marketing, you need to create a unique selling point, because all of us affiliates promote the same courses. So if there is a training course, and Kevin will point you to what offers are worth you promoting, which ones are, you're better off skipping. There's a lot of factors you will need to take into consideration, like the vendor's history, how many sales they make, how consistent they have been, the reputation, all of that is all important, okay? Because then it will affect the trust. It will affect the trust between you and your buyers, okay, and the refund rates. There will be some crappy courses. I mean, no offense to anybody, but let's say low quality products. Hypey though, because the sales pages are hypey. People will buy from you, but what good is that if further down the line you will get dozens of refunds, and that's gonna screw up your affiliate score. So be very selective and picky as to which product you actually decide to promote as an affiliate and what you put your brand behind. Yeah, so it will come down to creating this unique selling point, creating good quality bonuses, which will go hand in hand with the offer you're promoting. And obviously there is so much information on how to do the email marketing the right way, guys. And even with the case studies, and mind you, the bonuses you can do in various ways. You can use AI, and Kevin shows you how he uses ChatGPT to create bonuses. But you know, feeding ChatGPT or Gemini Advanced, I like to use Gemini Advanced, okay? This is my favorite AI tool. And how to feed it the right prompts to get the best output, because it all comes down to the quality of the prompts that you feed to, say, ChatGPT or Gemini. Okay, and there was something I wanted to show you. Hold on. Yeah, the case studies. So check this out, guys. You will have 4 case studies. This is an example of KJ's launch, which obviously Kevin smashed, and you know he won the contest. So what he gives you here under each and every of the case studies is the email swipes he wrote himself, guys. So he shares them here with you, and the bonus page he used for this promotion. So guys, you have the example of the bonus page here, and all of the bits and pieces he puts on his bonus pages, like the countdown timer, the pop-up, sort of like a short video review, and how it's all structured, okay, and how the bonuses are listed and all of that. So you can follow his footsteps. And then you will also get bonuses, guys, on like this one here, affiliate marketing done right. It's a great video, like 15 minutes long, and you can download the report on how the do's and don'ts of doing affiliate marketing. Okay, as he said it here, 7 powerful commission generating affiliate marketing tips. Very, very good tips, coming straight from the horse's mouth, as they say, from the legend who has been smashing it consistently. Okay, guys, and then another bonus you will get is access to his Facebook group, the Commission 5, previous launch called Commission 5, and another bonus is email marketing productivity hacks. And now let me show you the bonuses I have for you guys. So not only are you getting access to these 3 amazing freebies, all to do with affiliate marketing, like email marketing secrets, there are either master reseller rights or private label rights. So ClickBank affiliate marketing, very newbie friendly, to do with crypto, ABC email marketing. So you just click here, and from here you download. Now, the bonuses I created here is the affiliate commission checklist, 10 essentials for high converting promotions. And the other bonus I created for you is, guys, beyond the basics. So it's a bit more advanced. So advanced affiliate tactics to explode your earnings as an affiliate. So let me show you what this report, the checklist, the report will look like. Okay. So, it's 3 pages long. It's not a lot to go through. It's more like a checklist, like a report, but some key points to take into consideration when you're creating your affiliate campaigns. And the other one will be the advanced affiliate tactics to explode your earnings. So there you go. Another report that I have created. It is the information, guys, you need to always have in mind. Okay, when you're creating affiliate campaigns, when you do affiliate promotions. And as I said, the creation of these bonuses have been inspired by this training course. So yeah, so you're getting more bang for your buck if you pick it up from me, because they are surely super, super valuable, I believe. Okay, and some additional training courses on traffic creation, email marketing, and more to do with affiliate marketing. All right, guys, now let's check out the funnel. Now the front end during the launch will be $16.95. There will be a bump offer of $14.95 called 100K per year made simple. It's a training course by Kevin, of course. OTO number 1 is the ARM system. I forgot what ARM stands. I did review this training course a few months ago. It's affiliate results maximized, I believe. Okay, so it's $23, guys, and there will be a bump offer, 2 recurring funnels, so done for you funnels for $12.95. OTO number 1 Pro is 5 additional funnels along with 36-part email series, one-click import to Aweber or copy and paste to any autoresponder, $27. OTO number 1, there's a few OTO number 1 as I can see. Reseller rights to ARM system. Then we have OTO number 2, and the reseller rights would be $97. OTO number 2 results with Kevin all access, so you get access to all that you've got here within this membership site. Okay, and that would be $147. OTO number 3, download PLR products, so 3 options. You can pay monthly or yearly or one time for $127. And OTO number 4 is the IM checklist lifetime access for $247. So you get access to all of Kevin's checklists. Alright, perfecto. So again, if you pick it up via the link below my review, my bonuses are yours. And yeah, guys, love you and leave you. I shall see you very soon in my next review. Again, Affiliate Takeover by Kevin Farley, my highest recommendation, top-notch training course, guys. If you really want to shift the gears and take it to the next level, then get this training course, watch it, and implement what Kevin is teaching you, because he is the master that you want to learn from for sure. Okay, right, guys, take care and see you very soon. Bye bye.